Hey everybody, how are you doing? I thought I would get in a couple videos here. One is about kind of planning stuff still. So I wanted to show you what I've come up with here. I am so sick and tired of trying to figure out a meal and Ariel not like it. It's just me and Jeff and her. And I am tired of, okay, we're having this for dinner. I don't like that kind of thing. She's getting so she's way picky. So a lot of people when they plan, when they do their planner, now I have to put things in compartments. So my, like I have a billing planner where all the bills are for the month. I have my social media planner where I have this channel and my other channel. I have that planner. And then I have this planner, which I call my yearly planner, and it's because of the school year. So it's my school yearly planner. So this is where I put things that are happening, holidays, all that kind of stuff. Billing stuff doesn't go in here. My medical stuff doesn't go in here. I don't keep it in one planner like some people do. I just can't. It has to have its separate thing. Well, I keep looking at these planners and they have a meal planner stuck in there. And it's just like one page. I'm like, where would I put that? And I would probably put it in this planner. It actually needs its own. It needs its own thing, but I don't want another planner to put this stuff in. So because this is the one that Ariel can go into and she can look at, I can look at, things are happening, if there's birthday parties or whatever, it's in here. So that's what I figured I would do is print out a meal planner thing. And I write big. So I would have to I haven't found it yet. I'm gonna see if I can find a freebie A5 meal planner thing. I may just print it out myself or whatever. Or what I did do is I just print out blank monthly calendar. And because it's the long way, landscape way, it doesn't fit in here. So I could put it this way and print it A5. Or this one, actually, if I just cut around here, it's perfect. And I could add this in here for the month. I'd put it like September's, because I have September's here. So I could put it in with my month, I could put it in here. But then you're flipping back and forth to writing all this stuff or whatever. I don't know, I haven't figured out that part yet. It should go weekly. Put it in there weekly. So what I did is we have a couple months left. I've got October, November, and December here. And it's kind of blank. And I have September. September's is what I'm going to show you. Okay. But I got tired of her telling me she don't want stuff. So I went through here, and it probably could have been a little neater. This is my list. My handwriting's horrible, guys. I wrote on the top Sunday through Saturday. On the top. Can you see that? Sunday through that. Friday nights are usually always steak night. We make a steak. And then Sundays is a roast. I've incorporated a pork roast because she wanted something different. So every other week is like pork or beef. So, and then I wrote down the chicken, beef, like hamburgers, stuff like that. Fish, pork, breakfast. She doesn't eat breakfasts because she's at school. And on the weekends, she kind of fends for herself. She's almost 13. If she wants cereal, she'll go make cereal. And if she wants scrambled eggs, she can make them herself. But if she wants them, she'll ask, Mom, can you make me some? That kind of thing. But this is dinner, just dinner. So I wrote out things that I make. So for chicken, I make chicken and rice in the oven, or I could do it the quick way on the stovetop. She doesn't like it that way. So chicken and rice, we can have barbecue chicken, shake and bake chicken, roast chicken, a roast chicken. She wanted green bean casserole. I don't know why she put it under chicken because it doesn't have meat in it. So I don't know why she did that. But I'm just writing down dinners that I have made that she likes. Mexican rice, she likes hamburgers. We got meatloaf, we got sloppy joes, hot dogs, beef stew. Stews are coming up. So we got beef stew. I make that. There's another chicken one that goes in there. We've had kebabs, chicken or beef. My husband doesn't like shepherd's pie, which is the potato, the meat, and the vegetable, and you put it in the oven. He does not like that. That is a meal that me and her will make, or I will make if he wants me to make him like a salmon steak or something like that. Mexican haystacks, he doesn't like that either. That is another one that me and Ariel can have. Then lasagna, we have enchiladas, we have, what's it called? Oh, goulash. So I wrote all this stuff down. We got fish sticks, we got tuna casserole. For pork, we've got ribs and pork chops. I wrote down things to go first with. And I handed it to her. And then I handed her one of these calendars. I handed her September. So, and then on Fridays and Sundays, I just kind of put a thing down because we always have steak or we always have a roast. So she needed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Wednesday's usually got to be an easy meal because she has her church thing she has to go to. So she went in and she filled it out. She went in and did the menu plan for dinners. So last night she's like, "What's for dinner?" I said, "Go look on the thing." So, and she had picked hot dogs on the grill because it's an easy dinner. And she got home, she's like, "Oh, I don't want that." And I said, "What did I tell you?" So she sets it, and I'm not changing it. That's what it is. So like on Monday, we started this Monday. We had beef kebabs, and then we'll figure out what to go with it. But I wanted the main thing, I wanted her to do that. So, and then Tuesday we had chicken and rice, which she thoroughly enjoyed. And then Wednesday, which was yesterday, she had her church function. We had hot dogs on the grill. Me and my husband had something different. I had a veggie stir fry, which is what my husband had too. And then we had, I made him a salmon thing, but I just had a salad and my veggie thing. And then tonight we having shake and bake chicken. Now she's going to come home and she's going to say, "What's for dinner?" And I'm going to say, "Look at it." And she's like, "I don't want that." Well, too bad. That's what I'm making. She picked it, and she picked broccoli and mashed potato for the rest of it. And then Friday is our steak night. She's not going to be here, so she's going to miss it. So, and then Saturday, if she was here, I would have pulled out the enchiladas I had made a while ago that are in the freezer and used them up, and corn. If she's here, then that's what we'll have. If she isn't here, me and hubby will figure out what we're going to have. And then we have roast. She wants to pork roast this Sunday. So she's made it out for the rest of the month. So, and I go shopping next Tuesday. So any of the things that we pick for the rest of the month, if I need to get it, she has to have another piece of paper and write it down. Like for week 3, because I'm going shopping, she put, I needed to get carrots and celery. Yeah, for the beef stew. She wants beef stew. So I'll put this on my shopping list. And then I have some stuff in the freezer already that we can take out and use. So she's figured out, I'm letting her do this. I'm not doing it. She's doing it. So I printed this out. This goes on the refrigerator. And then when she figures it out, she'll go to the menu. I bought one of these. I got it for my birthday, I think, one year. And I had Ariel fill it out a while ago. Her handwriting is way improved from when it was before. So this is this week's menu. So for Sunday, she put the pork roast because it starts Sunday to Saturday. So it's kind of backwards. It's not Monday through Sunday. So Sunday is the pork roast. We had beef kebabs, we had chicken and rice, and we had hot dogs. And tonight is shake and bake, and tomorrow's steak, and then enchiladas. So if she's not here, the enchiladas will fall over into this next week. Like we may change it from lasagna to enchiladas or something. Or she may decide she wants it on Friday. I don't, or Saturday. May change it to Saturday. I don't know. But we'll figure that out. And then this next week, she's gonna sit down with the next menu and write in here. She already wrote in some of this. Oh no, for her birthday. She either wants to go to Subway. We usually do something just for her on her birthday, and it's a Tuesday. She either wants Subway, a pizza, or a steak. So I don't know. We'll have to decide because it's a school night and stuff. So I don't know. Maybe I'll order Subway sandwiches and go get them. But she's going to be home for fall break. So I don't know. Lunches, breakfast and lunches, she usually just kind of fends for herself usually. I just have to make sure I have this stuff in the house. Like if she wants a sandwich, she'll go make herself a sandwich. I don't have to make it for her, you know. So that's what we decided to do for meal planning because I was tired of trying to figure it out. Honestly, I hate cooking. I can't stand it. I do not like to cook. Never have. If I had my way, we'd have microwave dinners all the time. All the time. But hubby cooks on Fridays. He cooks the steaks out on the grill. We use our grill all year round. So he will cook the steaks out on the grill. And he did have to cook an extra night for the beef kebabs. He did it out on the grill. So I'm trying just to keep him not having to do that, or I'm going to have to learn to use the grill. One or the other. Like if we decide to have hamburgers, he likes them out on the grill. So if we have those, then they got to be cooked on the grill. So if at all anything, he'll have to cook twice, and that's not too bad. But so yeah, there's my menu idea. If you have finicky kids and they're old enough, you just kind of give them like your ideas for dinners, and that's what I did with her. Now it'll change come winter time because I'll make more stew kind of things, but I have a bunch of recipe books. But she knows I don't like to cook, so it has to be something that I'm willing to do, or sit and watch her do it or whatever. But this is a pretty good mix of stuff that she likes. She's not a fan of chicken, so we're trying. She's got to eat chicken though, so we're trying to let her get involved with this part of it. But this hangs in the dining on as you go through the dining room on the wall just outside the kitchen. So if you want to know what's for dinner, you can look there, or you can look on the refrigerator at this. This is the cleaner version, the sign, because she wrote it out. So yeah, so she'll redo this on Sunday for next week. She'll sit down on Sunday and make this out. And then I will go through it next week before I go shopping and look to see what I need to buy to go with it or whatever. So yeah, so that's my idea for a finicky kid. But if you have teenagers, you know, or old enough kids, you know, little kids, you know, they're going to eat what's put in front of them, you know. And because I'm on a special diet, I can eat any of this. I can't have the rice. So I will pick out the piece of chicken and eat the chicken in the salad. But I can work out my diet to this menu. This will work for me. And my husband's trying to incorporate a little diet on his own, but his is different than mine. Mine is more stringent, and he's trying. He'll do good for a couple of days, and he's like, I need something to eat. So, and he'll pick something else, you know. But that's him. He'll do what he needs to do, and I got to do. I've already lost almost 30 pounds. So I'm going to continue to keep going the way I'm going. I need to incorporate exercise. So, anyways, this is our menu. This is what we're doing for a menu. I hope this helps some of you, especially if you've got some teenagers that are finicky, and that's what I was saying. If you have one teenager or two teenagers, let them decide. Give them a menu of meats or dinners that you have cooked before, and let them pick the days that they want to eat it. You know, there's certain ones, like I said, on Sundays and Fridays. Those are given. Those don't change. That's what we have. Usually Mondays are spaghetti day, so spaghetti, lasagna, enchiladas. Usually I kept Mondays for that. And a lot of people do Taco Tuesdays. You know, you could do Mexican for that day or whatever. We haven't got to that yet. We'll work out something like that so it's more defined. Every week I know what I'm cooking or whatever. But right now I'm just getting her to say, okay, I like this, I like this, I like this kind of thing. So I know she'll eat. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Little chit chat in there. So I hope you like that. I would invest in one of these little chalkboard things. You can get them anywhere. I got mine at Family Dollar, 2015. Yeah, I've had it for a while. I think I got it for a birthday present for the menu. I think my oldest daughter got it for us. So if she came over, she knew it was what's for dinner. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. I do need to incorporate it into my little planner here or my shopping. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look at it. We may just keep it like this, and I don't need to put it in that planner. I don't need to know. I'll go look at the refrigerator. So, but this is what's working for now. But if I want it to be more nice and organized, maybe I'll add, like I said, a page and write it out and put it in there. That's what we had for the month or whatever. But I want to get in a habit of doing this monthly so it's all in set. And then weekly, she can go write it on the thing so she knows. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And we will see you in the next video. Bye now.